This is it, the moment you've been waiting for. At this point, we've wired and configured the hardware of your DMX lighting system. We've also configured a show control script to enable DMX functionality on your Alcorn McBride show controller, and even named the DMX channels. Now it's time to fire up those lights. We're going to continue with the script we created earlier. So for now, let's browse to the Sequences tab, and we're going to click the New button to create a new sequence. Let's name the sequence Preset Red, and we'll configure it to be a logical sequence. Go ahead and click OK. All right. Next, we're going to add a series of ramp events within our sequence. Let's start by adding one by clicking the New button here. Now the ramp event requires 3 parameters. The first is the DMX channel that we want to ramp. The first one we're going to do here is our master channel. The second parameter is the value that we want to ramp it to. In this case, we want to ramp it up to our full value, 255. And the last parameter is the duration of the ramp. I'm going to go ahead and set this to about 1 second. Okay. We have our first ramp event. We're going to go ahead and repeat this process. I'm just going to copy and paste this, because we want to ramp up another channel, and that will be our red channel. Just going to replace this parameter with red, like so. Ramping both of these channels up to their full value will cause the red lights to come on at full intensity. Just to be on the safe side though, we should also make sure all of the other channel values are in a known state. So we're going to repeat this process for the 3 remaining channel values, green, blue, and white, and we're going to ensure that they're set to a value of 0. This is what your event list will look like when you're finished. All right, great. Let's test it. Go ahead and click on the Connect button to send it to your show controller. Once you're connected, go ahead and click this little play icon next to our new preset red sequence. Hey, would you look at that? Beautiful. You are now the master of your own DMX universe. You can use the power of sequences and the ramp event to control any number of DMX channels that you wish. If you want to have a little fun, try messing around and creating your own presets. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about how to integrate all of this with a touch panel interface that will allow you to call your presets and also manually control the DMX values. We'll see you there.